Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to log in WhatsApp without verification code. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So, if you ask a question if can I open my WhatsApp on another phone, or can you open your WhatsApp on your device without verification code? So the answer is no, because you must enter a 6-digit code to open your WhatsApp account. So this 6-digit code is sent to you by SMS or call, whichever you want, and the main purpose of this verification code is to protect the user's privacy. And we all know that the only important data to log in on WhatsApp is the phone number, and it is not difficult for the hacker to gather that information and enable them to log in into your profile. But with the help of the verification code, only the phone number owner can access the profile, because a 6-digit code is sent through SMS or call to verify your account. So that's it. You cannot actually log in into your WhatsApp without the verification code, because the WhatsApp is a number to number type of communication, and it does not allow you to access your account without having the verification code that is sent to you through SMS or call. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.